Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then hit Agree in the pop-up and go back. As you can see, my shortcut is now green. That means that location is enabled. If you wish to disable it, tap on the same tile again. You can also access device settings instead. Scroll down and click on the Location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!